What I got here is a DJI wireless microphone twin kit. It is a wireless microphone that provides high quality audio for anyone who wants to create videos on the go. Also, throughout this entire video, the audio you're gonna hear coming out from one of these microphones, so then you will have an idea on how it sounds like. Also, we're gonna put it through some real tests to see whether or not it's the new king of sound. Just to mention guys, this video is not sponsored by DJI, so I just share my personal opinions and thoughts about this product. Hey, what's up guys? If you are first time here, I'm happy to meet you. My name is Vasile. I hope you're gonna have enjoyable time here on the channel, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get straight to the point. The DJI wireless microphone system is a very popular mic system for content creators just like this. It's very easy and simple to use. You just can clip it on your shirt or up on your lapel, and then you just have a high quality wireless audio for up to 2 people at the same time. Also, it's super compact to be able to take it with you anywhere. Today we are going to touch on 6 things. What is the DJI wireless mic system, range test, backup recording, battery life, how and when this can be used, and should you buy it? Should you spend 340 euro of your hard-earned money on this setup? Let's find out. What is the DJI wireless mic system? Let's start by explaining exactly what comes in this kit and what this system do. The DJI mic contains one charger case with 4 LED lights to keep you informed about the battery level. Within the case, we got a single receiver with a touchscreen display and 2 transmitters, a removable cold shoe mount, a lighting adapter and Type-C adapter. Additionally, the kit comes with 2 windscreens with a small bracket that will twist and lock onto the transmitter, a 3.5mm audio cable and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable for the rechargeable case or any single one device within the case. Also, it comes with a good quality carrying pouch. All these different accessories and attachments means that DJI Mic kit is widely compatible with many devices as DSLR and mirrorless camera, as well as iOS and Android devices. So let's connect them. First, receiver gets connected to your camera with a supplied 3.5mm audio cable and a cold shoe mount. Then, we clip one of the transmitters on a t-shirt and we are ready to go. Microphone transmits audio straight to the receiver and receiver sends the audio straight into your camera. DJI claims to have a maximum transmission range of 250 meters in open environment. So we're gonna go out on a soccer field now and put that to the test. Guys, we are on a soccer field now, so we're gonna leave the camera here on a tripod in one of the goals and we're gonna go across the entire soccer field to see what's the results when it comes to decent range from the receiver. So with not further ado, let's go. So same time we're gonna check if I standing with my back to the camera, if the sound still goes through my body kind of this way. So I will ask just cousin, you can hear me good? So we are about like 20 meters from here. So if I look to the camera, the sound is pretty good. If I turn and we go, we'll see. Here we have about 50 meters and I get a sign from my cousin that the sound doesn't reach the receiver. So the transmitter sends it, but can't go through my body to the receiver, so that's mean we lose the connection. This way it's all right. Okay, let's see at least how the sound will be if I will face the receiver from the other end. So I can openly say we have about 100 meters now from the camera, and he can hear me perfectly fine if I face the camera. If I turn, the sound cannot reach the receiver, so that means you don't record any audio. Your audio will be disrupted. We are at about 150 meters from the receiver, and we get the sign that the audio goes to the receiver nicely. He can hear me very good, yeah. So at least test for that range, 150 meters, even maybe it's a bit more than 150. Good clear audio. I would say this just confirms one more time that the way of shooting content and capture the great audio regardless of your camera distance or position, it's totally changed. That's a game changer, lads. What about if I will run a bit like this? You still can capture the audio good? Yeah, let's run a bit left, right. Just will go on the side from the camera as well. Good, good, good. Up. Still good? How is my audio? Hope. Let's run a bit faster. Quick sprint. Good. What about if I turn back? As we speak about this already, if we turn the back to the receiver, we cannot record any audio that way. But there is a chance and a possibility and a feature that can help you do this without being afraid you're gonna lose these records. In case you need some extra range, to make sure your audio won't disrupt, you always can turn on the backup recording by pressing the record button on the side of your transmitter. This will start record the audio directly on the 8 GB of internal storage. Each transmitter can save up to 15 hours of audio files. Backup audio files can be synced with your video in post, which adds a little bit more work and time to your editing process. But believe me, it's much better to spend that little extra time on that rather than you would have to shoot whole video again, which sometimes can be impossible to do because of the location or the event you already missed. So when you're out shooting your content, make sure to turn on the backup recording so you will have it ready in any case. The battery life from the transmitter is 5.5 hours each, and 5 hours for the receiver. Also, with the charging case, we get about 15 hours, which I think is more than enough for us. So we could worry less about the battery levels and focus more on the content we create. How and when this can be used. So the two transmitters can record audio separately or simultaneously. So, for example, in an interview scenario, you could choose to put one transmitter on the host and one on the interviewer, or if it would be a sports scenario, you could put one on the player and one on the coach, or one on the referee and one on the coach. In case you shoot your videos alone, that's even better. You always have a spare mic fully charged, ready to continue recording your audio in case your first mic battery is gone. I mean, the possibilities are endless here. Should you buy it? So guys, at this section I would say next. You should buy it if you need it. I think you should buy gears only when they're lack holding you back from achieving your goals. So for example, you have a great idea and you would like to create something, but you don't have the right gears. But if you would have that gear, you would go and start creating that thing. I think that's the best time to go and get that gear. So if you are looking out there for a wireless mic system, I'd say 100% DJI system. It's one of the best on the market right now. They are super easy to use, super compact, super easy to charge, they pair easily, you got two of them, and they come with their own accessories, so you don't need to search for them and have any extra expenses. Have you guys picked one up yet for yourself? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Overall, wrapping up this video, I would say DJI Mic offers a ton of functionality and features for the price. There are cheaper options, of course. If you are just a solo creator, you could go and grab a DJI single mic kit or a Rode kit. If you are really tight on the budget, you could go and try maybe a Comica kit. But if you really want something that has a premium design and functionality, then you can't go wrong with the DJI Mic Twin Kit. If today's video helped you out at all, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. You are the one who bring that channel closer to 3,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you very much for that. You guys rock. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.